Good morning, children. I hope you are doing well at home. So today we'll be starting our classes and we will begin with a grammar lesson, sentence. What is a sentence? A group of words that are used to express a thought and that makes sense are called a sentence. Okay. Now, group of words express a thought and makes sense. Let's take example of some group of words. Rises, sun, the, east, in, the. This is a group of words, but does it make any sense? No, it doesn't make any sense. So we cannot call it a sentence. Now when we arrange the same set of words in the sun rises in the east, it is making some sense. It is making a sense about the direction of rising of sun. So we call it a sentence. This always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. It depends upon the kind of thought you are having while you are delivering a sentence. Now, based on different meanings and expressions, sentences are mainly divided into four types. These are assertive or declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Now let us try to understand about all these four types of sentences. Now, assertive or declarative sentences. Now, a sentence which declares or asserts a statement, fact, feeling, opinion, or anything is called an assertive sentences. Generally, it comprises of the sentences that we use regularly while talking or saying something. Alright? For example, we can use Rahul stood first in the class. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Virat Kohli is my favorite batsman. We must wash our hands regularly. These are the very common sentences we use while talking to someone or writing. Okay? Now, ends with a full stop. All the assertive or declarative sentences ends with a full stop. Is interrogative sentences. When a sentence asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Okay? Questions. How are you? Are you going to play? What date is today? Do you play guitar? Who is your best friend? These are all some common examples of interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Exclamatory sentences. When a sentence expresses a strong feeling or emotion, it is called an exclamatory sentence. Strong feelings like feeling of surprise, joy, happiness, sorrow, these are all strong feelings. So when we speak a sentence out of these feelings, it is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, that is a huge fish, expressing a surprise. What a beautiful day, happiness. He is such a nice boy, satisfaction. Hurrah, we won the match, joy. Oh no, I lost it, sorrow. So these are some example of exclamatory sentences. And an exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. You can see here in the sentence. Imperative sentence. When a sentence expresses a command or request, it is called an imperative sentence. Please give me a glass of water. Imperative sentence. Come here, please. Imperative sentence. Get out of the class. Imperative sentence. So we see that we are giving orders sometime and we are requesting sometime. So that is an imperative sentence. Here are some examples. Please give me a glass of water. Wait for me. Be quiet. Listen to me carefully. So these are some examples. Now depending upon how forcefully we say a sentence, say an imperative sentence, full stop or exclamation mark is put. For example, when we say, wait for me, we are saying it forcefully. So we put an exclamation mark. Now when we say something in a very sound way, be quiet, or please give me a glass of water, we put a full stop. So today we learned basics of the sentence. So if you have any doubts or queries, you can write down in the query section. And for your homeworks, you can make 5 sentences of each type of sentence. So thank you very much and God bless you all.